If you are in your school and thinking whether nursing can be a good career for me, or if you're looking for some useful information to start your nursing career abroad by pursuing higher education, this video is for you. Hi everyone, this is Jason from Edilogics, where we teach you logic behind things. Today I am back with a very useful video for those who are thinking whether I should take nursing as my career. So there has been a growing trend that we have seen that many students, when they are in their school, decide to pursue higher education in countries like Australia, US, Canada. And one of the most sought after courses is Bachelors of Nursing. So in our today's video, I am going to tell you everything about Bachelors of Nursing program, which will help you to make your decision and to see whether this is the right fit for you or not. Before I give you more details about this program, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of the videos that I put. So the Bachelors of Nursing is a 3-year degree qualification that many universities in Australia offer for international students. This course basically prepares you and equips you to develop the right skill and understanding so that you can use these skills to start your nursing career in Australia. After you successfully complete this program, you are eligible to apply for your nursing license or nursing registration with the Nursing and Midwifery Board of Australia. During this course, you will be required to complete approximately 800 hours of clinical placement in various healthcare settings. Let's talk about the entry requirements. So in terms of the qualification requirements, you should have successfully completed a grade 12 or higher secondary school program with an average of 65%. Now, this may vary with each university slightly, but on overall, I think around 65% is what they look for. If you have taken arts or commerce in your school last 2 years, then also you're eligible to apply for this program and you can successfully complete this program. Number 2, English language proficiency. As with all other related nursing courses, to start your nursing career in Australia or to enter any kind of nursing qualification, you need to have IELTS 7 or equivalent. For example, if you're doing your PTE, then PTE 65 in each modules, or OET level B is required to enter into this course. I have done a detailed video about English language proficiency requirement and you can check it out by clicking on the I button here. Apart from this, you must meet the other requirements, such as you should have a positive international criminal history check, you should be able to produce your immunization requirements as well as your working with children check, etc. Coming to the most important question, how much money you will have to shell out to complete this program. Now the fees may vary with each university, but approximately per semester cost to do this program will be between $15,000 to 17,000 Australian dollars. So there are 6 semesters, so you can easily compute the whole course fees. Universities also offer some attractive scholarships for this program, so make sure you check this out with your university or your registered agent. So now let's talk about the benefits of doing this program. So number 1, registered nurses are highly sought after in Australia, and in fact, there is an acute shortage of nurses in Australia. This of course means that once you graduate, it should not be difficult for you to find a well-paying, attractive job. The average remuneration of a registered nurse who starts their career is approximately between 80,000 Australian dollars to 85,000 Australian dollars. Second is basically about the ease of getting migrated as well as ease of settling down in Australia. Since nursing is a highly skilled occupation and hence you have a better chance to easily settle down in Australia and pursue various migration opportunities. More information about this should be obtained by a registered migration agent. Registered nursing is a profession which is in the priority migration skill list. So make sure to check the immigration website or speak to the migration advisor who is a registered migration agent for more advice. Number 3, working condition and job satisfaction for nurses is considered to be very good in Australia, and hence you have lots of opportunities as well as good balance with your professional and your personal career. If you do not want to stop at your bachelor's, you have the opportunity to pursue masters of nursing and move into various specialization areas. In fact, you can also become a nurse practitioner in Australia. Overall, Bachelors of Nursing is a very good program if you're seriously considering a good nursing career in Australia. Hope you found this information useful. If you did, make sure to share it with your friends and family members. If you have any questions about this program, please make sure to connect with me. I'll leave the link of our contact details and our website address in the comment section as well as in the description box below. Until next time, stay safe and stay happy.